Hello kids, this is your teacher JC and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are interested to learn basic English and math, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated to our upcoming videos. So, are you excited with our lesson for today? Without further ado, let's start! In today's video, I will be discussing about place value through thousandths. It is a continuation in my previous topic about decimals. If you haven't seen my videos about decimals, nothing to worry because you will find the link in the description box below. Let's continue. Let's have a short review about value in place. Remember that the value of a digit depends upon its place in a number. What does it mean? Here, we will identify the value of the given digit. Let's have 2. The digit 2 has a value of 200. 2 times 100 equals 200. Next, the digit 6 has a value of 60 because it is in the tens column. So 6 times 10 equals 60. Another one, 2. The digit 2 has a value of 2 because it is in the ones column. 2 times 1 equals 2. Another one, 5. The digit 5 has a value of 500 because it is in the hundreds column. 5 times 100 equals 500. 0. The digit 0 has a value of 0 because it is in the tens column. 0 times 10 equals 0. And last one, 3. The digit 3 has a value of 3000 because it is in the thousands column. 3 times 1000 equals 3000. Is it clear now how to get the value of our given digit? To understand the place value in a decimal number, we have the decimal place. Example, units or ones, we have 1. Tens, we have 1 also. And we have the decimal point. And for our tenths place, we have 1. And for the hundreds place, it's also 1. If you observe that in the tenths place, you will see 1 over 10. It is a tenths place because the number is divided by 10. The same thing with hundreds. The number or the numerator is divided by 100. That's why it is hundreds place. Now, I will be teaching you on how to get the value of our decimal. Let's begin with tenths. We have 0 and 5 tenths. 5 is under tenths place. So 5 times 1 over 10, the answer is 5 over 10. The value is 5 over 10. Next, 0 and 3 tenths. 3 is under tenths place. To get the value, 3 times 1 over 10, the answer or the value is 3 over 10. For hundreds place, 0 and 4 hundredths. 4 is under hundreds place. So 4 times 1 over 100, the answer is 4 over 100. Next example, 0 in 6 hundredths. 6 is under hundreds place. So 6 times 1 over 100, the answer is, or the value is, 6 over 100. Let's proceed for thousandths place. 0 and 9 thousandths. 9 is under thousandths place. 9 times 1 over 1000. The answer or the value is 9 over 1000. Next, 0 and 7 thousandths. 7 is under thousandths place. So 7 times 1 over 1000. The value is 7 over 1000. Is it clear now how to get the value of our decimal? At this point, I will be teaching you how to write an expanded form. Remember, in order for you to write the expanded form, you will be using the value of each digit. Let's start with 7. What is the value of 7? It's 7. 7 times 1 equals 7 plus, let's have the first decimal, 5. 5 is under tenths place. So, 5 times 1 over 10. It should be inside the parenthesis. Plus, second decimal, 3. 3 is under hundredths place. So, 3 times 1 over 100. Plus, our last decimal, 2. 2 is under thousandths place. So 2 times 1 over 1000. And there you have it, our expanded form. Another one. 1.468. Let's have 1. What is the value of 1? It's 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. And plus our first decimal, 4 under tenths place. So 4 times 1 over 10 plus 6 under hundredths place. 6 times 1 over 100 plus our last decimal, 8 under thousandths place. 8 times 1 over 1000. And this is your expanded form. Another one. 26.459. Let's begin with 2. What is the value of 2? 20. 2 times 10 equals 20. Plus, what is the value of 6? 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. Plus, our first decimal, under tenths place, it's 4 times 1 over 10 plus our second decimal, 5 under hundredths place, so 5 times 1 over 100 plus our last decimal, 9 times 1 over 1000, and this is your expanded form. Another example, 89.273. This is your standard form and we will write the expanded form. What is the value of 8? It's 80 plus, what is the value of 9? 9 plus our decimal, 2 times 1 over 10 because it is in a tens place, plus 7 times 1 over 100 because it is in hundreds place, and our last decimal, 3 times 1 over 1000 because it is under thousandths place. And there you have it, our expanded form of 89.273. Please be mindful that the decimal should be inside the parentheses. Okay? And that concludes our lesson for today. I hope you have understood our lesson for today, but if you have questions, clarifications, and queries about our lesson, don't forget to write that one in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer all your concerns. Once again, this is your teacher JC saying, never stop learning. For when we stop learning, we stop growing. Goodbye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.